Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these slides. First of all, when you are viewing these slides, you should be in present mode. As you go through the slides, you're going to notice this symbol. That means it's an audio clip. Simply press play. Hi guys! Here are your slides for the Bigfoot digital lesson. All right, simply click to go to the next slide. You will also see watch the video to see how to use these slides. You will see watch the video. I am recording this video right now, so we're not going to be able to watch it. But I'm going to click to the next slide. As you work this week, you're going to click on the day of the week to go to that lesson for that day. For example, here's Monday. When you get to Monday, then you're going to see watch this video and go to the next slide. When you see watch this video, make sure, hi guys, make sure you watch the entire video. The instructions in that video are really important to help you know what to do. Then click to go to the next slide. Here, you are going to click to read an article. So that's what you would do. If it asks to make a copy, go ahead and make your copy. And then you'll be able to see it and interact with that document. Okay, I'm going to go back here and let's see. You will also see a check for understanding every single day. You're going to click and do some sort of activity. There's a couple of these that are quick quizzes that test to see if you understand it. And when you are done with each day's work, you will see this slide. And then every day begins with a video. You can also listen to instructions if you see an audio clip. And each day has a check for understanding. Okay. So, as you work through your slides, make sure that you are doing the checks for understanding and you are watching every video. Now, when you completely finish, there are 3 extra choices that you can do if you are looking for more work. Okay, I'm going to go back to the very beginning by pressing the up arrow. And remember, you need to view this in present mode. To get out of present mode, you press escape, which is in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard, unless you have a Chromebook, and then I'm not sure where it is. Somewhere in that top row. All right, guys, those are your instructions for how to use these slides. Have fun!